morning, children. We have completed our syllabus, that is graphs of motion. Also finished 11th lesson, that is left sound, and what you are seeing on the screen is some natural phenomena, 10th lesson. So I have to give the notes of this lesson. Let us write the notes of 10th lesson, reflection on concept. Describe, first question, describe with the help of diagram an instrument which can be detected to present a charged body. Describe with the help of a diagram an instrument which can be used to detect a charged body. He is asking us to draw the diagram which help us to understand the instrument which can detect the presence of charge, presence of a charge. Let me show the diagram. It is there in the textbook. Those are not having textbook, don't worry. On the screen, other side of the screen, you can see demonstration of charge, presence of charge or transfer of a charge. This is to find the presence of a charge on a body. Activity 3, page number 136. That is your first answer. You need to draw this diagram also. Figure 4, testing the presence of charge. Activity 3, page number 136 is your first answer, and you need to draw the diagram. He is asking us to explain presence of a charge, a device which help us to show the presence of charge with a neat sketch, is nothing but a diagram. Okay. Now comes to the second answer. Second answer. Which places are not safe during thunderstorm? During the thunderstorm, which places is not safe? So don't stand outside in open areas. Don't stand under a tall trees or electric poles. These places are not so good. It is also there in the textbook. Which places are not safe during thunderstorm? This page number 138, second question which you are seeing, second point which you are seeing, which is not safe during a thunderstorm? Traveling in an open place, standing under tall trees in open fields or in a garden or a park, staying in multi-stored building which is do not have lightning conductors, standing near electric poles or telephone poles, speaking on landline telephones. Speaking on landline telephones. These places are not safe during thunderstorm. That is your second answer. Page number, sorry, yes, second answer. Page number 138. Third answer. List the 3 states in India where earthquakes are more likely to occur. List the 3 states in India where earthquakes are more likely to occur. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Assam are the 3 states where earthquakes are more likely to occur. Name the 3 states where earthquake likely to occur. That is the 3 states in India where earthquake are more likely to occur are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Assam. Okay. Fourth one. Explain how do you determine intensity of an earthquake. Explain how do you determine intensity of the earthquake. How will determine this? The which you are able to see this side, amma. The power of an earthquake is expressed in terms of magnitude and Richter scale. The destructive earthquakes have more magnitudes higher than 7 on the Richter scale. So Bhuju and Kashmir earthquakes had magnitudes greater than. So Richter scale is the instrument where we'll use to measure the intensity of the earthquake. So the power of earthquake is expressed in terms of magnitude on a Richter scale, and the destructive earthquakes have magnitudes higher than 7 on the Richter scale. This is your next answer. That is the fourth answer. Fifth, suppose you are outside your home and earthquake occurs. What precautions should you take to protect yourself? Suppose you are outside of your home and earthquake occurs. What precautions would you take to protect yourself? Answer. Find answer outside the home. Find a clear spot away from the building, trees and overhead power lines. Drop to the ground. These are the places where is safe during the earthquake. So if you are outside of the home, suddenly earthquake occurs. So what is the first or safe protection place? Find a clear spot which is away from the buildings, trees and overhead power lines. Drop to the ground. These places are the safe during the earthquake. Okay, that is your fifth answer. Next, applications of concept. Sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking off sweater during winter season. Explain. Sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking off sweater during winter. Explain. Why you will get a crackling sound? If you remove the polyester cloth or a sweaters which sticks to the skin. Okay children, so what is asking? Which place is a safe during the thunderstorm? We discuss outside of the house. Now let us have another question. Sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking a sweater during winter. Why? Why crackling sound is heard? When a sweater rub or touches to our body, due to electrostatic force, a charge develops. That's why a crackling sound or a spark can be seen. Sometimes a crackling sound. Answer. Sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking off sweaters during winter because sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking off sweater during winter because when a sweater rub against our body, electrostatic force or a charge develop. This produces a crackling sound. When a sweater rub against our body, electrostatic force develops and charge develops, and this produces a crackling sound. Once again, sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking a sweater during winter because when a sweater rubs against our body, electrostatic force is develops and a charge also produces. This makes a crackling sound. This makes a crackling sound. Okay. Next, give two examples of your daily. Second answer. Second question reading. Give two examples of your daily life about effects which are caused by transfer of charges. Give two examples of your daily life about effects which caused by transfer of charges. Continuously combing, what happens, Amma? Paper pieces stuck towards the comb. This is also one example from our day-to-day life, a sound, that is attracting paper pieces towards the scale which is continuously combed for 5 minutes. One example. Second, when we take a synthetic cloth from our body, it produces a crackling sound due to develop of electrostatic force or by transfer of charges. Transfer of charges. Due to examples of your daily life about the effects which are caused by transfer of charges. Answer first point. When we rub a paper balloon when we rub scale or a comb for 5 minutes and placing on the paper pieces, it attracts. This example shows that transfer of charges from comb to paper pieces. That's why paper pieces attract towards the scale or a comb. Second example, when we remove a synthetic cloth from our body, while taking off synthetic cloths from our body, we hear crackling sound due to transfer of charges. When we taking off synthetic clothes from our body, we hear crackling sound due to transfer of charges. This is your application of concept. Second question. Third, inflate 2 balloons and rub both of them with a cloth first and then with different material. Will they attract each other in both the cases? Inflate 2 balloons and rub both of them with a cloth first and then with a different material. Will they attract each other in both the cases? Inflate 2 balloons and rub both of them with a cloth first and then with a different material. Will they attract each other in both the cases? 2 balloons, when they are rubbed with a cloth first, same cloth, that does not attract because same charge develops. When 2 balloons rub with a different materials, they develop these opposite charges and attract with each other. Answer. When 2 balloons rub with the same cloth, same type of a charge develops. Balloon does not attract each other. Balloons does not attract each other. Second point, when 2 balloons are rubbed with the different cloth, different material, different charges develops on them and attract each other. Once again, third answer. When 2 balloons are rubbed with the same cloth, same type of a charge develops and they do not attract each other. When they are rubbed with a different cloths, different charge develops on them and they attract each other. Okay? Next. Fourth answer. Explain why a charged balloon is repelled by another charged balloon, whereas charged balloon is attracts uncharged balloon. Charged balloon, whereas a uncharged balloon is attracted by charged balloon. Explain why a charged balloon is repelled by another charged balloon, whereas a uncharged balloon is attracted by a charged balloon. When a charged balloon rubbed with the same cloth, if 2 balloons rubbed with the same cloth, they repel each other because same type of a charge develops on them. And whereas when uncharged balloon is attracted towards a charged balloon because opposite charges develops among them. A charged balloon is repelled by another charged balloon because a same type of a charge develops on them. change the para and write. Uncharged balloon is attracted by charged balloon because opposite charges develops on them. Because opposite charges develops on them. Clear? How many answers today we discussed from our lesson? First section 5 answers, second section 4 answers. That's all for today. Complete your classwork and read this lesson. Go through the lesson. Afterwards, learn these answers also. First, as soon as I just after completing the lesson, read the textbook thoroughly and go through the answers. Okay, children? And try to complete your projects and activity. 6th, 7th, 9th, 10th. In my subjects, I feel they are good because even 6th class students, 7th also, and 9th and 10th. 9th and 10th, anyhow, they are coming to school. Most of them, nicely, they are completing their classworks, projects and everything in the school. 6th, 7th, those who are sitting at home also, nicely, they will complete their works and they will send the notes for correction. What about the 8th class? Only few students, they will submit. Every time in the case of FA1, FA2, SA1, projects, activities, only few students they are submitting. If you are not submit, just you lose your marks. Please children, try to complete your classworks, projects and activities and submit in the school. Okay ma? Complete this class lesson notes also. And one more lesson is left to give. After giving this, I will give that. Our portion is finished. Then we have to start the revision for your SA2 exams. When and where, how they will conduct, till now we did not get any information. Once it get, will pass to you. Okay, Mima? Thank you.